kind of more unique thing with Fresh Clean Threads that a lot of our competitors at our price point don't do is really develop their own fabrics in partnership with mills.
We are much more conscious about delivering the perfect fabric.
Our signature fabric is called Stratasoft, and that was developed right here, cotton polyester blend. Cotton is a great natural fiber. It has excellent properties of comfort, breathability. We blend it with polyester to add some durability, some additional softness, prevent shrinkage.
It's a huge difference in quality, consistency, and hand feel. We worked very hard on the shrinkage to make sure that the shrinkage would always be consistent from month to month, even year to year. We don't cut any corners, and we've got a clear, traceable supply chain.
We talk to a lot of our customers, and we know that that's one of the most frustrating things. They buy a shirt, fits great, they wash it a few times, and all of a sudden they feel like a sausage. You know, typically you would expect the fabric to shrink at 5 or 6%. 3% is our standard. The difference between 3% and 5% doesn't seem like all that much, but when you're talking about, you know, like a 30-inch long garment, you know, 5% is still 1.5 inches. Small details really do make a big difference in what you experience when you're wearing a t-shirt.
They do wear tests, they come back with a tweak. They do more wear tests, more washing, more tweaking. You've got to get it perfect.
There's not many, if any, companies at our price point that are making fabric like this. We want to deliver like super, super high quality to people at a really achievable price point. At the end of the day, it's just a t-shirt. But for something that we wear, you know, almost every day, when you put it on, you're gonna feel the difference, you're gonna look in the mirror, you're gonna see the difference.